Hey guys, so I wanted to record this video sharing an issue that I encountered while using GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini. You know, some time ago it happened to me that my camera started to experience some kind of horizontal lines, sometimes like after 1 minute of recording, sometimes like straight away, and out of nowhere, honestly. You know, I've been using this camera for like ever since it was launched, so for like 2 or 3 months now, and honestly I had no issues with this camera, but at some point, just out of nowhere, it just freaked out and started to experience that issue. I'm not sure if you can see it right now, or maybe it hasn't yet appeared. I hope it did, so you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I contacted GoPro support about it because I was a bit confused. Well, they told me to reinstall the firmware manually, so I did, but it didn't help. I also thought that maybe it's because of the micro SD card, so I tried a new micro SD card, the one that's recommended from GoPro, SanDisk Extreme, but that also wasn't it. And yeah, I think I'm going to send this camera back to GoPro for a warranty, because this is abnormal behavior, and honestly I never experienced something like that. Hopefully the lines are visible, so you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's pretty bad. The camera is going for a replacement, and if you experience an issue like that, well, I don't think, well, you know, the thing is that it's not like I dropped the camera on the ground and I accidentally hit it into something really hard. Nothing like that. I always take good care of my cameras, so I don't really know if it's related to software or hardware. As I said, I've been using this camera for 2 or 3 months, no issues at all. I always were running the latest firmware, and I don't know what's wrong with it. As I said, if you experience something like that with your GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini, then I guess just send the camera back to GoPro and have a replacement, because I don't think there's much that they can do about it. Hopefully it's a software issue, so they can release a firmware update, which will be really nice. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye.